I'm Joe Dillette, and I'm making a statue of St. Joseph the Worker. My client approved a clay model, and I'm getting all my dimensions from the clay model. How I'm doing that is I made a scale here of drawn lines that are to scale that fit in this block. And so I can just project from, if something is 28 inches high, right here I can measure up 28 inches from the bottom. So I have a chisel and a mallet, and for the rough out stage, I am going to carve the profile right straight through. And then I will begin to work on the features on the front. The last thing I carve is the back. I'm squaring up the profile, so when I start moving the surface in, it doesn't change size. So I'm squaring it up with the front. The profile is all cut, so now I need to lower the planes at the front. One of the first things I'm trying to do is get the balance of the head to the shoulders. And in order to do that, I have to develop the planes in this area. So I started below, digging in so I can start getting the location of the arms and then the head. So everything is going to get moved back here. Once I have the profile cut, then I'm going to try to get the balance for the statue. And that starts off with locating the head onto the shoulders. That sets up the balance for the whole figure. And I'm trying to picture if I have enough distance to put the baby Jesus and his arm and the blanket with St. Joseph's arm here also. I'm trying to set up the roundness for the face and getting the face turned a little bit towards the baby Jesus. So I'm still roughing out the shape. So I'm kind of trying to get this here, knee is forward, so I'm trying to pull it, the cloth a little bit here to follow that leg. And I'm trying to determine where the waist is going to be here and the folds of the clothes. This is going to be his foot, and the little toe is going to be here on this side. I'm drilling the mounting hole on the bottom of the statue at the base. It's a 1-inch diameter to fit a 1-inch dowel that'll go in 1 foot deep. So it's going to go in about that far. I'm doing the final scraping and sanding. This light is very good. I can see the imperfections. I'm getting ready to put the finish on. The finish I'm using is a Menwax Helmsman, and it's a spar urethane. It's an oil base, and it's a satin, clear satin. So it's an indoor-outdoor finish.